Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you top free website to learn code. And let's get started. Open Chrome browser, select your profile. Now go to freeCodeCamp. Just search freeCodeCamp, freeCodeCamp, C-A-M-P, and search it on Google. Now you can see the first website, freeCodeCamp. This is one of the best platforms for beginners. It offers interactive coding challenges and full courses on web development, Python, JavaScript, and even data science. And the best part, you can code directly in the browser, and by the end, you will have built real world projects for your portfolio. Plus, they offer free certifications. For starting it, just click on Get Started, and it's free. Now, I will show you the second website. Search Code Academy on Google. Code Academy, open on the Google browser. Now select this first website, Code Academy, a great platform if you love hands-on learning. They offer interactive lessons for Python, Java, C++, and more. You can write codes directly in the browser, get great real-time feedback, and track your progress. Now it's free, just logging in with your mobile number and it will open the home page with your sign up account. Now moving to our third website, it's Harvard's CS50. Type Harvard's in the search bar, CS50, open on the Google and just click the first websites. If you want a college level coding course for free, check out Harvard CS50. It covers computer science fundamentals, C programming, algorithms, and more. It's challenging but perfect for those serious about coding. Plus, it's taught by Harvard professors, and you can get a certificate if you complete the course. Just make an account and learn the codes. Now, moving to our first website, the Odin project. Type the Odin project on Google and search it. Now you can see the first website, the Odin project. Want to become a web developer? Then check out the Odin project. It offers a structured curriculum on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many more. Just go to sign in options, or you can get started by making an account. Now, last but not the least, we have W3 schools. I know you have heard about it on any social media page or YouTube. A great site, open this website, a great site for quick and simple coding tutorials. Whether you are learning HTML, JavaScript, Python, or SQL, it provides easy to follow examples and exercises. And that's it. Now you know the 5 amazing websites to learn code for free. Which one will try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next video.